Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your fluency with English Class 101 quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the English Class 101 website. Create your free account by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the course offerings available. Choose a learning path that best matches your current fluency level. Start with the audio and video lessons tailored to that level. Make sure to take notes as you listen or watch. After each lesson, complete the review activities to reinforce your learning. Next, engage with the flashcards feature for vocabulary building. Utilize the pronunciation practice tools provided on the platform. Join the community forums to connect with other learners. Participate in discussions to practice your writing and comprehension skills. Explore the lesson transcripts to follow along as you listen. Regularly set a schedule for your study sessions to stay consistent. Track your progress within the platform to see how far you've come. Adjust your learning path as needed to challenge yourself further. Finally, immerse yourself in English outside of the lessons by watching movies or reading books. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your fluency with English Class 101. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.